So in this video, this is the first video, and in this video we will explore the Unreal Engine and I will introduce the Unreal Engine. Okay, and it's the great engine, that's why this is the introduction video. So this time I'm opening this Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, let me show you in the Epic Games launcher here. Okay, this is the Epic Games launcher. Okay, here you can see this is the launcher, and from this launcher you can launch Unreal Engine, you can launch Fab, you can see your in library you can store your purchased games and the free games. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the store. In this store you can buy the games. Okay, here there are lots of games you can purchase and play. Okay, Unreal Engine is basically for the games development, but we can use the Unreal Engine for the environment development, animation, character animation, and also the animal animation. So that's why there are lots of possibilities. There are not only the one option to do, that's the game development. You can do so many things. There are endless possibilities. Okay, so from the store you can purchase any of the games. Okay, and that I have this is the free games, that's why I have downloaded. This is the force. Okay, now this is the library. From in this library you can see all your games. Okay, this is the games that I have installed in my PC, but I claimed all of this because all of these are free, that's why I have claimed, and in future I'll play. Okay, but the most important thing for us, this Unreal Engine. Okay, when you click this Unreal Engine, everything changed, because this is for the developer and for the learner and for the instructor as well. So we will fully explore this Unreal Engine, and this time I will explain you the Unreal Engine 5.8. This is the latest version right now, and earlier it was 5.7.4. So there are not so much difference between this 5.7 and 5.8, and this is for the upcoming version. So there is no any upcoming version, that's why it's showing the 5.6. Okay, let's suppose this Unreal Engine will introduce 5.8.2, then here it will show you the 5.8.2. Relax, I'll explain you how can you install this Epic Games launcher as well. So here some of the projects are visible here, and this is the Fab library. So I'll explain you what is the Fab library. So you need to wait here, and these things are useless for us this time. And here you can see your downloads. Okay, I have downloaded some of these things, and here this is the settings, and you need to log in it first time. So I'm gonna open up this project. This is latest project that you are going to make. Okay, this is the environment one. So I already opened it, and now I'm gonna so after opening your project, this you need to create a new project. Okay, so I already created a project, that's why it's showing me the starter screen. This is the starter screen. Okay, and I have added two meta humans. This is the girl, and also this is the girl with the normal clothes. So I'll explain you everything. This is only the theory class. I am just introducing you the Unreal Engine, and I just explaining you the endless possibilities. Okay, so here I have added to just see whether how it's looking, and I'm gonna show you the levels. Okay, in a single project you can create so many levels, and you can use the same assets that you have imported or created from the others platform. Okay, so I have used so many assets to create this landscape, also the animation. So I'm going to open this level. This is the level 01, and this is the latest level, and we will do the same thing. And with this level we have this level sequencer as well for the animation. This is for the animation. We can animate our character, animal, camera, cars, so many things. Okay, the thing which can animate we can animate in the sequencer. Okay, so simply this is the theory class. I'll explain you step by step. So this is the scenes that we will create in this course. Here you can see this is the entire scene. Okay, let me minimize it so we can see it fully. Okay, something like this. I'm gonna increase the camera movement so we can move. Okay, so this is the scene. We will add cars here. We will add this girl with the animation. Okay, let me show you this girl, and she is looking pretty awesome, I think. Okay, this is the camera that I have added to animation. Okay, for the animation, now I'm going to show you I have added this character as well. Okay, this character is jogging here because the scene is pretty perfect. And here this is the mannequin, and this is only for the purpose to just see what's the height of this road or what's the length and width, just to measure. Okay, and this is the sea. Okay, here you can see this is the sea, it's fully animated, and this is the Unreal Engine scene. Okay, and I have added some fogs here. Okay, and this is the mountain and some of the trees. And the most interesting things here, you can see this is here. Let me decrease the speed. Okay, here you can see this is the animal and it's animated. Now let me show you total animation. Okay, let me go to the sequencer here, and this time I'm in the 0th frame. If I just move this timeline, and here you can see the fully animated. Okay, so we will animate it. Now I'm gonna show you this girl is also animated. Okay, it's showing some time error because this is the real time, that's why it's showing you the error. So let me play you. Okay, it's playing perfectly. The car is moving perfectly here. Okay, there is no any driver, I know, but this is from the Tesla, that's why there is no driver. This is driverless car. We can add our driver. Okay, and here he is jogging away. Let me play at the normal speed. Okay, so here this man is moving, this car is also the moving. Okay, and also this girl is saying something. Okay, the girl is saying something. Here you can see the girl is saying something, this, and the girl is coming here. And we will add two meta humans here, this is girl and another one is boy, and we will add into the scene. So let me jump into the camera mode, and here you can see this is the camera mode. Okay, so I have animated, we will animate this camera as well. So this is the basic introduction of this Unreal Engine. We can create so many things under it, and we can do endless things. Okay, it's depending on you, how do you use this Unreal Engine. And we can manage our assets here. These are that some details, timelines, and this is the content browser. So that's perfect. Now in the next video I'll explain you how can you install this amazing engine, because I really love this engine. Okay, because it's very easy to use, but make sure that you need to practice well. Okay, if you practice well, then you can use it very perfectly. So all you need only practice, and make sure that you will complete this course, because I'll explain you everything in very detail, and I'll consume time. Okay, to explain the things, because I'm not in hurry, so that's why I'll explain you everything, my friend. So let's start the journey.